Good morning. It is 4:20 a.m., August 25th, and I woke up with an idea. I was talking with my ChatGPT and I was like, I want to do something strategic. And it suggested that I bring you guys into the world of Jamia building. So today we're going to recreate my cyber matching game and make it essentially better. So I lost my access to base 44, but I don't even build on base 44 anymore. So we're going to build on the modern stack that I do now, and we're going to utilize AI. So come with me and let's build. Now, if you're interested in cybersecurity, information technology, AI assisted software building, Afronomias, which is my business, and my bootstrapping journey, then this channel is for you. So please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Alright, so today's first step is coming up with a name. Right now, it's 4:30 in the morning. I am not in the mood to create a name, but I am in the mood to create something new. Well, recreate. I already got the idea. I got another plan for it, so I'm more so in a strategic architecture mood. So we're gonna talk to the different AI systems that I'm using and develop the app. So it is a layer of vibe coding in here. Yes, it is, but I prefer to call myself an AI assisted developer. Yeah. So let's get into it, guys. Alright, so the choices of AI I'm utilizing is ChatGPT and Codex. So what I'm going to do is talk into my phone, copy the prompt, paste it into a doc, go into the doc on my laptop, paste it into Codex, let it build. And then of course, I'll take a look, see what it's looking like, see if I like it. If not, we reiterate. So let's get into it, guys. Hey chat. So I am rebuilding the cyber matching game idea I had a few months ago. So we need to come up with a creative name for this app. It's giving arcade vibes, right? So cyber arcade vibes. What is a cool name we could come up with out of that? And of course, we gotta throw Afronomias in front of it because it's an Afronomias production. Send. And that's essentially what I do. I just have a conversation with my chat. Sometimes I type it out, sometimes I say it, but for the sake of this video, we're saying it into the phone. So let's see what it says. Okay, so it actually came up with some good ideas. So it said its strongest pick is Afronomias Ciphercade. I like that. It blends cipher and arcade. It sounds like an actual game universe, and it fits your futuristic Afronomias aesthetic. Now the other contenders, we'll just name some of them. We won't go through all of them. There's Afronomias Cybercade, Afronomias Protocol Pop, Afronomias Memory Matrix. I like Ciphercade. That's giving more. I mean, the other options is definitely giving matching, and it is essentially a matching game, but the theme of it is going to be the Afronomias aesthetic theme. So we don't want nothing generic, but the baseline is a matching game. So we're going to go with the cooler one, Afronomias Ciphercade. Alright, so now I have to create a folder for this build. So that is the first step when you're building apps on a modern stack. So I'm working off of 2 different laptops. I have my recording workstation where I do all of my stuff, marketing, blah blah blah, all the operational stuff, and then I have a development laptop, which is where I do my builds. So that is essentially what we're working off of right now. And now we're going to go to ChatGPT again. All right, chat. So we came up with the name Afronomias Ciphercade. I love it. Now it's time to build out the architecture of the app. So it is a matching game, as you already know. You have context, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna lay it out on the table so that the viewers can know what's going on. So it's a matching game. There will be 3 levels. There will be novice, intermediate, advanced, and we're going to incorporate security awareness terms, and we're also going to incorporate general cybersecurity concepts, and we're going to create it to where each level has terms that correlates with the level essentially. So for novice, it should be able oh, my dog is about to make a grand appearance. Come on. So for novice, it should be simple and even easy for a kid to learn from and complete. Intermediate is like, okay, I know a little something something. You can challenge me a little bit, but really let's see where my knowledge is. Now advanced is like, okay, bring on the challenge. Let's see what I know, plus challenge me. So yeah, so overall it's supposed to be a learning experience. And also there will be 2 modes. One is without a timer. This is strictly for learning, figuring things out. And now the timer is where we will incorporate a leaderboard, so it's giving that arcade vibe. Now incorporate the Afronomias theme, and I'll include the picture of the Afronomias word mark so you have the colors. And then also let's make it to where it is user friendly, incorporate the cyber theme. So now I'm inserting my business word mark so it has a reference. And we're going to also include the logo. Why not? So now it has the concept, it has direction, and now it's going to generate me a prompt that I can upload into Codex. So Afronomias Ciphercade. Match the concepts, strengthen your defenses. So it gave me a flowchart basically. So first, it initializes Ciphercade, it brings it up, and then you enter your nickname. Then you select your difficulty, and then you go into the game mode. You select which mode you would like to opt into. So there's learning mode, arcade mode, play without a timer, or time run plus score, and then leaderboard, so you can see who's up there. So alrighty, let's review exactly what it's going to put into the prompt before we go with the prompt. So when you're doing AI assisted building, it's always good to review what is going into the prompt, and also review what's the prompt too, to make sure it goes in the direction you want it to go into. Because if you leave it up to AI, it will vibe code the crap out of your idea. I don't like for my AI to have vision control. That's up to me. I'm the product visionary. I'm the product architect. So I'm going to review it off camera, and if there's any additional updates I need to make, I'll be back on so you can hear me talk to ChatGPT about it. Alright guys, so I have the prompt. Now we're going to upload it, into my document on my phone, and then because it's cloud-based, we're able to access it on my laptop, my development laptop. So from there, we're able to copy it and paste it into Codex. And then what I like to do is I repurpose the document. Sometimes I keep all of the prompts in there, and then sometimes I don't. Essentially, I have it in here so I can always go back, but I like to keep the document as of now empty so that I can just copy and paste and I don't have to scroll all the way down and highlight the whole thing. I can just click edit, select all, and I copy and then I paste. Less work. So we're going to let that load, and then after that we'll take a look and go from there. So you get a little peek of the leaderboard before we get into the game. So we initialize Ciphercade, you type in your nickname. Next, we choose the level. So I chose advanced, and then I wanted to do the learning match. So you just go through the different definitions and terms, and as you can see, I'm not at the office. I was at a coffee shop, one of my favorite spots, getting some building in. And I added the additional mode of being able to do this route, which is matching the definition to the term, and then the matching, which was the original, where you flip the card over and you view the term and match it with the definition. So this is available for everyone. This is a free web app. As you can see, the leaderboard shows both of my plays. Now, I'm just going through the different sections, making sure everything is good and functioning properly. And you see me do my happy dance. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this build. It is currently August 26th, 12:57 a.m. I've been up editing, I've been up building, I've just had a productive day. But if you enjoy seeing my build days, then definitely drop a comment down below and let me know if you would like to see more of them. And as I mentioned, you can access this game down in the comment section below, where I will leave the link. Now, try to challenge me, try to beat my score, and let me know if you did down below in the comments, so then I can challenge you and try to beat your score, and then you try to beat mine again, all the way to the point where we're at 5 seconds. Let me know if you enjoy all of the different modes, and if there's anything you think I should add to the app. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jamia Williams, and this was the build of Afronomias Ciphercade. Now, again, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Love, peace, and happiness. Love, peace, and positivity.